Welcome to Residence 11B, where you can watch the boats go by from walls of windows towards the Hudson River
during sunrise and sunset.
This oversized 5-room home is so flexible, it's often used as a 3-bedroom.
This windowed chef's kitchen has stainless appliances, wood cabinetry, hidden storage, and endless granite countertops.
I like to sit here and see what Andrew will whip up.
But with Silver Moon just downstairs, I don't really have to.
Let's not forget 11B even has the sought-after private washer-dryer.
And 2.5 baths. There's a bath outside the bedrooms for guests, and both of the full ensuite renovated bathrooms are windowed as well.
There are French doors and wood floors throughout.
The primary bedroom is oversized with great closet space and wonderful views.
The second bedroom is also oversized with great closet space and has nice light and city views too.
The ceilings are over 9 feet high, and 245 West 107th has a wonderful roof deck, 24-hour doorman, live-in super, and the lobby features beautiful original terrazzo floors. Plus, it's already rated A for green efficiency.
It's between 2 parks, Central and Riverside Parks, with the Hudson River Cafe and 2 blocks from the exceptional Silver Moon Bakery.
And there's Absolute Bagels, H Mart, and Strauss Gardens are just across the street.
And Columbia University is nearby too, and you have lots of room to roam in this 5-room home. If you would like a private tour of Residence 11B at 245 West 107th Street,
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.